Fourth problem, balance sheet of XY Limited as at 31st March 2015 was as follows. Coming to liabilities side, share capital 2000 preference shares of rupees 100 each 2 lakh, 4000 equity share of rupees 100 each 4 lakh, 5% mortgage debentures 1 lakh, bank overdraft 50,000, creditors 1 lakh. Coming to asset side, goodwill 15,000, freehold premises 2 lakh, plant 3 lakh, stock 50,000, debtors 40,000, a profit and loss account 2 lakh 45,000. Coming to total 8 lakh 50,000 both the side. Coming to next adjustment, the following scheme was approved by the court for the company. Coming to first point, preference share to be reduced to rupees 75 per share. In the problem, 100 each, reduced is 75 per share. Coming to next, equity share to rupees 37.50 per share. Here you can see 100 each. The reduced is rupees 37.50 per share. Debenture holders to take over stock and book debts in full satisfaction of the amount due to them. Goodwill to be eliminated. Freehold premises to be depreciated by 50%. Plant to be appreciated by rupees 50,000. Journalize and prepare the revised balance sheet. Solution. In the books of XY Limited journal entries, serial number, particulars, debit rupees, credit rupees. First point, old preference share capital account debit 2 lakh. They have mentioned in the balance sheet. Coming to next, two new preference share capital 2000 preference share into rupees 75 per share. Amount will be 1,50,000. 2 lakh minus 1,50,000. You will be getting amount 50,000 as a balance. You will be mentioning to capital reduction account. In the credit side, two new preference share capital 1,50,000 and to capital reduction account in credit side 50,000. Note, being the conversion of 2000 preference share of rupees 100 each to rupees 75 each. Second point, old equity share capital account debit. In the balance sheet they have mentioned 4 lakh. Two new equity share capital account. Share equity share 4,000 into rupees 37.50 per share. You will get 1,50,000. You will be mentioning in the credit side. Coming to next, 4 lakh minus 1,50,000 to capital reduction account. The balance amount 2,50,000 is reduced amount. Being the conversion of 4,000 equity share of rupees 100 each to rupees 37.50 each. Coming to third entry, 5% mortgage debenture holders account debit 1 lakh to 5% mortgage debenture holders account in the credit side 1 lakh. Being the transfer for debentures. In the problem they have told the debenture holder to take over the stock and book debts in the full satisfaction of the amount due to them. That's why you are showing this entry. Coming to next, 5% mortgage debenture holder account debit in the debit side 1 lakh to stock. The stock 50,000, you will be mentioning the same, and to debtors amount 40,000, you will be mentioning. The remaining amount is a reduced amount to capital reduction account 10,000. 50,000 plus 40,000, 90,000. It will be deducted from the 1 lakh. The 10,000 is reduced amount. You will be mentioning to capital reduction account, being the settlement of debenture orders by transferring the stock and debtors. Coming to next entry, plant account debit 50,000. Here they have mentioned the plant is to be appreciated by rupees 50,000. Same thing you are mentioning 50,000. To capital reduction account credit side you are mentioning 50,000. Being the appreciation in the value of plant. Next, you will be making an entry of capital reduction account debit side 3,60,000. Have you got this amount? I have previously explained how you got capital reduction account amount 50,000, 2,50,000, okay, 10,000. So if you are totaling that, you will be getting 3,60,000. First, you will be taking to profit and loss account. In the problem, they have mentioned 2,45,000. Same thing you are taking here 2,45,000. Next, to goodwill 15,000. Next, you are taking freehold premises. In the problem, they have given freehold premises to be depreciated by 50%. Same you are mentioning here. 2 lakh into 50 divided by 100, it will be 1 lakh. So coming to note, being the utilization of capital reduction account, the balance in eliminating the accumulated losses, goodwill and freehold premises. You can check out the last entry, the capital reduction account debit 3,60,000. So profit and loss account in the credit side 2,45,000, to goodwill 15,000, freehold premises 1 lakh. If you are totaling this, you will be getting 3,60,000. So in the problem they have told to prepare revised balance sheet, the balance sheet of XY Limited, and reduce it as on 31st/3/2015. A point equity and liabilities note as well as amount. So coming to shareholders fund, share capital 2,000 preference share of rupees 75 each, 1,50,000. 4,000 equity share of rupees 37.50 each, 1,50,000. Reserve and surplus, it is nil. Non-current liabilities, secured loans, unsecured loans, all are nil. Coming to current liabilities, if you are checking out in the balance sheet, there is an bank overdraft and creditors. This thing you will be mentioning here 50,000 as well as 1 lakh. If you are totaling, you will be getting 4,50,000. You can check out this amount in the entry 1,50,000, 1,50,000. So next you will be going with the asset side, non-current asset. Coming to here, fixed asset, freehold premises. So they have mentioned 2 lakh. So you will be mentioning 2 lakh. In that the reduced is 1 lakh. So another 1 lakh you will be writing out here. So coming to plant, you will be taking the amount in the balance sheet 3 lakh. So you will be mentioning 3 lakh plus the appreciation amount 50,000. You have made an entry for appreciation 50,000. So same thing you will be writing here 50,000. So 3 lakh plus 50,000, 3,50,000, 1 lakh plus 3,50,000, 4,50,000. So you can the stock and debtors. This has been taken by the debenture holders. So you will be not mentioning this. The goodwill has been eliminated. Only the freehold premises and plant has been remained. So this two you have taken here. So total on equity and liability side 4,50,000. Coming to asset side 4,50,000.